Kenya is slowly emerging as a regional electric vehicle powerhouse, with the local roads now witnessing the entry of electric buses, motorbikes, three-wheelers, personal vehicles and taxis. Yesterday, local startup BasiGo became the first company in Kenya to launch electric passenger buses, with Kenya Power announcing that it will roll out charging stations for electric vehicles as part of its diversification strategy.
Data from the International Energy Agency shows that in 2021, electric car sales more than doubled around the world to 6.6 million, representing close to 9% of the global car market, tripling EV market shares from 2 years earlier. The IEA report projects that by 2030, 60% of global car sales will be electronic. Various companies have rolled out various electronic units like bikes and taxis. Yesterday, local startup BasiGo launched electric passenger buses that will ply various routes in the city.
This is a phenomenal industry that will have a huge impact on the economy while protecting the environment, and its full exploitation will lead to the creation of thousands of jobs.
Kenya Power has also announced that to facilitate the growth of the market, it plans to roll out various charging stations in the country, starting with Nairobi.
To support the development of e-mobility ecosystem, which will include identification of sites for potential charging stations, as well as requisite geomapping software to enable users locate the nearest charging stations as they go about their business seamlessly.
The power retailer says there is potential for new revenues due to enough power to support the e-mobility ecosystem.
We currently have in Kenya an installed capacity of 2,991 megawatts. At night, the demand goes so low to almost half of this available supply, to 1,000, actually less than half, to 1,200 megawatts. This means that there is enough power to support the entire e-mobility ecosystem, including powering charging stations for domestic and business use.
Acting Managing Director Rosemary Oduor says the utility firm is keen to support the growth of electrified motorization in the country by creating an enabling environment for investors in the sector. Kenya is facing the challenge of poor air quality and a high carbon footprint, as most PSVs run on heavy diesel. BasiGo says these buses are capable of traveling for 250 kilometers on a single charge and offer USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity for all passengers, with other innovative uses. It will cost you 5 million shillings plus a daily subscription fee equal to 20 shillings per kilometer, which includes the cost of leasing the battery, nightly charging at a depot, service and maintenance for the electric bus. City Hopper will be deploying the BasiGo electric bus on routes between the city centre and Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. East Shuttle plans to deploy the electric bus on the Eastland side of Nairobi. Alan Auko, Lunchtime News.